Hi, if you stuck at black screen on iPhone 16e, then we can try to do force restart. For that, find your volume keys on the left side of the phone and also side button on the right side. So we are gonna quickly press volume up, then volume down, and then hold side button until we see Apple logo on the screen. So let's try this out. Volume up, volume down, and side button. If you can see this power off menu, just ignore it. Continue holding the button till the screen will turn off, like this, and you will see Apple logo on the screen. And now you can release the button and simply wait for the phone to turn back on. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.